Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion. Here comes another microwave special rice recipe, and today is very popular, very common dish, that is peas pulao. Yes, winter is coming and in the market you can find peas or matar nowadays. So that's why I have thought of sharing this recipe of peas pulao that is made in microwave. Equally tasty but very easy to make and healthy because we are using less oil in microwave. So without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update on my channel. Now start making peas pulao in microwave. So for making peas pulao, I am using basmati rice. Here I have taken 250 grams which I have washed thoroughly and soaked for 30 minutes. Now I have taken a glass micro-safe bowl. Always use micro-safe bowl. Next I am going to add 2 tablespoons ghee or clarified butter into it, and because we are cooking in microwave, so we need less amount of ghee or oil for that, so it's very healthy. Next goes in bay leaf or TEJPATA, star anise or full chakri, 1 black cardamom or bari elaichi that is opened up. Next 1 inch of cinnamon stick, and also some green cardamom which I have opened, and also 4-5 cloves or long. Next goes in 1 teaspoon of whole cumin seeds. Now I'm going to microwave it for 1 minute on high power. So we are back and all the masalas are toasted nicely in the microwave. Now I'm going to add the rice. I have removed all the water, discard all the water, and then add the basmati rice. Next I'm going to add peas. I'm using boiled peas, 200 grams of boiled matar or peas. Next goes salt according to your taste and water, because I have used 250 grams of rice, so double the amount, that is 500 ml of water. Next goes in 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of ghee, it's optional, and mix everything together. Always maintain the ratio of water 1:2, 1 part of rice and 2 part of water. Now cover it and I'm going to cook it for 12 minutes in microwave high power. So after 12 minutes we are back, and in no time our peas pulao is ready. And see the rice grain, all the rice grains are so long, none of them are broken and they are separated from each other. All the rice grains are separated from each other. So this is the easiest way to make pulao whenever guests are arriving in your home, because you just need to gather up all the ingredients, throw it up into the microwave bowl, and within a jiffy, like 15 minutes, it's done. So do make this recipe in this winter and let me know in the comment section, and definitely your family is going to love it. But don't forget to like the video, share the video and comment in the comment section below. Thank you.